Hey guys, so grabe yung weather today. It's like 36 degrees and nakita nyo naman sobrang pinagpapawisan tayo. But heading out. We're gonna do some activities outside and magdi-dinner na lang tayo. So, let's go! Okay, so kakain kami dito. Big burger! Tonight, magboboling tayo guys. Nandito lang tayo malapit sa bahay. At Bowlero. What? How do you read it? Bowlero.
Just a few blocks away from the house, matatagpuan ang isa sa pinakasikat na recreational activity in the area, ang Bowlero Bowling Center. Honestly speaking, it's just about 10 minutes walk away from the house. Pero dahil medyo weird daw dito ang naglalakad, and syempre kasama namin yung mga kids, kaya we brought the car na rin. To save money, nag-pre-dinner na din kami and did a takeout from the nearby fast food chain.
Big burger. That's okay.
Bowlero Bowling Alley, party venue, and sports bar could be the perfect place to bond with family and friends.
Which are we playing? What are we playing? Not yet. But later, what are we playing? Do you know?
The company has 3 brands including Bowlero, Bowmore Lanes, and AMF. And dito raw sa North America, there are nearly 300 centers. Good thing, one of which is so near in our house. Each Bowlero centers have its own arcade, billiards, sports bar, and lounge area. Siyempre, a huge number of bowling lanes din.
Not bad.
Actually, sa sobrang dalang ko makakita ng tao dito sa area namin, I didn't realize na ang dami palang taong bumibisita dito. When we arrived, almost full ang mga lanes. Some even rented multiple lanes to celebrate their birthdays. To book a lane, you can either go straight at the center or check it online. Lane reservations are available for up to 2 lanes only with 6 guests per lane. Lane prices differ depending on the length and time you are booking. Prime time slots are more expensive. Halimbawa, for a 2-hour rent for 1 lane for 2 persons on a Friday night, the cost could reach up to estimatedly $150 US. This includes 2 shoe rental and $40 allocated for food and drinks. Kung per game naman ang bayaran, that's around $6.84 US. I think nakadalawang round lang kami and I was able to do strike twice. Medyo nakakapagod din kasi. Kaya nung napagod na yung pamangkin ko and my mom, we decided to end the game and go home.
Retain pa rin. 180. That's it guys. Kamusta yung laro?
On the next day, panibagong activity na naman ang nag-aantay sa amin. And because we want to be done earlier, we decided to eat lunch at Denny's.
Yay! Oops. Sorry. Because it's cute. What do you want?
Pagkatapos, diretso na kami sa aming destination.
We're here at Benguet.
We will be picking strawberries today at Brookdale Farm. Located ito along Pleasant Road in Chesapeake.
Yes! Strawberry picking.
And is open from 9 a.m. to 4 in the afternoon.
Rodel Farm. So,
Dito sa Virginia, strawberry season usually lasts for about 8 weeks. That's around 2 months. And during this time, if you are planning to get fresh strawberries and jams, most of the farms are having promos. So, abang-abang lang din tayo. There are 2 ways to buy strawberries here. Pre-pick and you pick. You pick prices starts at $14 for the small basket and $17 for the large basket.
You should pick as well. These are just small ones, but it's already red.
Siyempre, kaya nga tayo nagpunta dito para tayo mismo mamili ng mga strawberries natin, right?
You should try picking. It's not that hard to pick.
Kaya we pick the you pick. Same lang din naman ang experience from the usual strawberry picking sa Benguet.
Look at that. Shit guys, wala akong masyadong makita malaki. But there's a lot na maliliit na red na siya. Yung iba, overripe na. Dito sa kabila tayo.
But here, smaller ang mga farms and is located separately from other farms. Not like in Benguet na isang location lang lahat and dikit-dikit. Unfortunately, medyo maliliit na yung mga nakuha namin dahil medyo late na rin kaming mag-strawberry picking. It could have been nice if we were able to get bigger ones because it is more sweet and delicious.
Look at that. Got a lot of strawberries. So now we can like put it all together.
After about an hour, we were able to fill up one basket. Sapat na to for the whole family.
Pick the bigger ones. Did it. So, ang presyo nito is $70 per bucket. So, kailangan natin punutin.
After paying, time na para umuwi and make our own strawberry milkshake.
We're done. So, hindi pa natin. So, 1.70 yung basket and then $19 in total yung ating strawberry.
Ilang linggo na lang and I'll be back in Manila. Pero may ilan pa tayong need to explore dito sa Virginia. Abangan nyo na lang sa ating mga susunod na episode. This is Nog Laguna City. Hasta pronto!